Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning if you watch this video in the morning. Good afternoon if you watch this video in the afternoon. And good night if you watch this video in the night. I want to presentation my topic about web-based facility that makes reporting application at station and in-train carriages. The first, let me introduce myself. My name is Fajar Ilhami. I'm a Diploma in System Information student of Telkom University. Damage reporting facilities at the station and train carriages website. Always with this video information system is to simply the process of reporting damage to facility found by user of railroad transportation. For that, if there is a damage to existing infrastructure and not in the TLA, get repairs, so that damage may result in convenience for user of train infrastructure is fire. Should be the damage done to be immediately follow up with good maintenance, so that user of rail infrastructure feel comfortable. Next, the background. The background, the railway infrastructure has been damaged. Define it like happened and is a mistake. Because basically any object or items used will likely having damage. Next, formulation of the problem. The formulation of the problem based on the background described earlier is: number 1, how to help service user trains can report damage existing infrastructure. Number 2, how to help officer manage report of train service user fire related to the existing infrastructure. Next is the purpose. The purpose of research, namely designing and building a damage reporting application facilities at the station and carriages, web-based and railways to help the process of reporting damage to the facility found by customer. Number 1 is helping user of transportation service train to report damage and or exciting infrastructure condition. The second is assist officer in management infrastructure damage report in infrastructure damage report by user of transportation service this train. Next, scope of problem. In this study has limitation on the problem of as follow is: this application is made in scope station and trains that are below authority of operation area number 2 Bandung. The second, logistic is not included in the space scope of application. Next is working method. In working on this case using SDLC waterfall method, and this slide you can see waterfall method have a 5 step. Step number 1 is requirement. The second is design, implementation, verification, and maintenance. Next is use case. In building this application, one of the modeling use is use case diagram. Use case diagram is modeling for system behavior information to be made. Probably, use case is used to find out what function are in information system and anyone who was the right to use those functions. And you can see the slide, I have 3 picture. The one is admin, user, and empowering party. Next is modeling tools. In building this application, you can use BPMN model tools, use case diagram and ER diagram. Next, ERD entities. ERD entities have 6 entities. Number 1, location details, customer, employee, damage, and repairing. Next is BPMN. BPMN you can see the right slide, the diagram of BPMN. BPMN is designed to make young people understandable to business stakeholders, including business analysts, technical developers, and business manager. Therefore, BPMN functions as a command language that breaks frequent communication gaps between the design and implementation of business process. With BPMN, there are 5 basic categories of elements. The first, flow objects. The second is data. The third, connection objects. Number 4, swimline, and last, artifact themes. Next one, building tools. Have 5 tools. XMPP. XMPP is one of the web software package server consisting of Apache, MySQL, PHP, and PHPMyAdmin, HTML, and PHP. PHP is a script that can be implemented or inserted into HTML. PHP is also used to create dynamic website programs. PHP often also used to build CMS. PHP is language server-side script programming designing for web development. Language programming server-side because PHP is processed on the computer server. It's different compared to programming language client-side such as JavaScript in the process on the web browser. Next one, MySQL. MySQL is a database management system. SQL that is open source and most popular nowadays. MySQL database systems support multiple features in the form of multi-threaded, multi-user, and SQL database management system. This database created for the purpose of the database system fast, reliable, and easy to use. Next is CodeIgniter. Is a development framework application using PHP, a program creation framework with PHP. Developers can directly generate the program quickly by following the framework or create one that has been prepared by framework. Next one is I want to explain the mockup. The first is mockup for customer. Is the slide I want to see to you welcoming page. And the next one is mockup for admin. And the last is mockup for empowering party. Okay, the last, the conclusion. Okay, this application can help officer to manage report of trained service user on existing infrastructure, condition. And the last, this application can help user to report existing facilities and infrastructure damage. Okay, this from me. If I have a mistake, I'm so sorry for this, and enjoy. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.